picked up glass because it's just more exciting, more hands-on, more involved. It's like extreme sports of the art world, and everything's happening at the spur of the moment. And, you don't really have a lot of time to think. Sometimes you put stuff together, sometimes it fails, sometimes you succeed, and that's what makes glass great. It's not like doing anything else, just working with intense heat. It's like playing with lava. It's not like something you can do anywhere else besides in a glass studio.
Glass intrigues me more than any other art form because you only have a few seconds to touch it before it becomes untouchable or unmovable. It's the only art that you start and you can't stop until you're finished. It's just amazing. I can't stop thinking about it.
It's just all about the intensity. There's nothing at all similar to glass. The entire process is just so involved that at the end, every move you've made shows in your piece, and therefore the product is absolutely just nothing more than a product of the process. Anyone who can take the heat should definitely do it.